Palha Street, so it's Chinese New Year, so it's crazy crowded. We're gonna walk up this way and try to film all these crowds. And before we even go down, this is also the other side of the crowds, going all the way down to Sao Domingos, Ensenada Square, and then up to Horseshoes Consulate. Okay, let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so Palha Street is Straw Street. So we're going to let's just kind of meander this way, get away from the crowds, and also try to capture all the crowds too. So this is pretty crazy crowded today. And all this crowd goes all the way down to Ensenada Square. So yeah, it's Chinese New Year Day. There's even crowds that go all the way up into this street as well. I'd like to film that later too. That's crazy. Yeah, and if you're curious about other times that I've filmed here, just go all the way to the end of the thumbnails, wait till you get there, and then I'll put the last 2 times I filmed on Palha Street. And I think maybe the last time might have been around Christmas. Okay, let's get past that music a little bit. Let's see. So yeah, lots of people everywhere. Oh, okay, there's a Macau reference right over there. This is kind of new. I don't think I've seen this before. Everybody's capturing it with their cameras. I'll try to capture it too and get a little bit closer to it. So yeah, this is and there's the New Year 2026. It's also the year of the horse, so we'll probably see some horse references in a little bit. All these crowds. This is a Beco da Palha. There's the street sign right there. It says Beco da Palha. So I think we're going to combine these two. We'll combine the Beco and the Rua. I don't know if I've filmed this in a while, so we'll just label it accordingly. Huh. Vintage. There's a new shop right here. Daughter and son vintage shops. Okay, so we're here's some. That smells pretty good there. Okay. And then down here we have the backside of Sao Domingos. Oops, there's somebody. So this is all part of Domingos Church in here. It looks like it goes all the way. There's a Beco sign right there. So we're gonna add that. Go all the way into here. Take a look at that. Then come over and film with this one as well. So yeah, that's Sao Domingos Church. It looks like we got a long line of people waiting in line there. You can see them through the cracks. Okay, so we're gonna go back to our busy Target Street. Japanese restaurant, I believe. Okay. Let's go all the way down. Look how busy the street is. Yeah, it's crazy crowded. Okay. Chinese New Year 2026, Year of the Horse, first day. I think that one, that looks like a interesting storefront that they have there. Yeah, look how crazy crowded this side is. Usually it's very, very crowded near Sao Paulo ruins, and usually here it's not so crowded like this. We'll just move over here, go into the plaza. There's beautiful palm trees in here. So, okay. Gonna meander through here a little bit. Okay, let's meander back down. Oh, it's smoking here. I don't think they banned it for Chinese New Year. Maybe not. I guess they do have ashtrays, so maybe they are. I guess they're not. Okay. Other side street, lots more crowds over here. So this is all part of Palha Street. Yeah, it's crowded. Okay. Yeah, it's really unusual to have this area be so crowded. Up closer to the Sao Paulo ruins, it gets crazy crowded, but here it's very unusual. This is called Palha Street. And that one there is Sao Domingo, St. Dominic's. That one's the one that's usually crazy crowded. So every direction here. There's Sao Paulo ruins up there. So we're not going to go that way. That goes up to the church. We'll end it, but that was our street right here, and then we're going to end it. It's so crowded too.